In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate your Wix site automatically. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. First, open your browser and go to wix.com. You'll want to log in using your account credentials. This is your first step towards unlocking the multilingual potential of your website. Once you're logged in, locate and click on wix.com's website builder link. This will bring you to the dashboard, where you can see all the websites you've created so far. Next, look through your list of sites and find the one you wish to translate. Once you've found it, click on Select and Edit Site. This will open up the editor for your chosen website, allowing you to make changes necessary to support multiple languages. Now we're going to move on to the dashboard area. Here, you'll see various options on the left-hand side of your screen. You want to find the option labeled Website Content. Click on that to proceed to the next step. This is where you manage all content-related aspects of your site, including language settings. After you're inside the Website Content section, look for the option Multilingual. Click on it to begin setting up the language translations. This feature will let you offer your site in multiple languages with automatic translations. A panel should appear with a Start Now button. Go ahead and click Start Now. This initiates the multilingual setup process for your site. You'll then be prompted to select the languages you wish to enable on your site. Click on Set Language to start configuring the first language. With that done, you'll see an option labeled Language. Clicking on this will allow you to choose from many different languages the one you wish to add first. Selecting a language is not the end of the task. You'll also need to decide how visitors will identify this language on your website. This is where the flag selection comes into play. Click the option to select a flag or country that represents the language you just chose. This flag will be the visual cue for users to switch to their preferred language. To finalize this part, click Select Flag. This confirms your choice, and this flag will now serve as the icon for that language on your site. Finally, to wrap up the entire process, you need to confirm the original language. Click on Confirm Original Language to lock in your primary language setting. This step ensures that the translations are correctly aligned with your site's primary content. And there you have it. Your website is now ready to support multiple languages, offering a customized and accessible experience for a global audience. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to watch the video again if you need further clarification. Thank you for watching, and happy building with Wix.